Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Cheese is often criticized for being fatty or salty, but certain cheeses can help rebuild muscle after 65, fighting sarcopenia, the muscle loss many seniors face. Today, I will share 3 cheeses rich in protein and nutrients to keep you strong and independent. With years of experience helping seniors stay active, I am excited to show you how to use these cheeses wisely for maximum benefit. Let us begin. First, cottage cheese. A half-cup serving provides 14 grams of protein for just 81 calories. It is packed with leucine, essential for muscle growth, as seniors need about 3 grams per meal. Cottage cheese offers a third of that. Its casein protein releases amino acids slowly, protecting muscles, especially overnight. Studies show daily cottage cheese boosts muscle mass. Enjoy it with berries for breakfast, or blend it into smoothies. It is soft, easy to digest, and perfect for seniors. Next, Parmesan cheese. 1 ounce, about thumb-sized, delivers 10 grams of protein. Aged for years, it is easy to digest, even for lactose-intolerant folks. It also provides 331 milligrams of calcium, crucial for muscle function. Low calcium speeds muscle loss. Grate fresh Parmesan over eggs, soups, or vegetables. Look for authentic Parmesan with a dotted rind. A small amount is nutrient-dense and budget-friendly. Finally, Ricotta Cheese. Made from whey, it offers 14 grams of fast-absorbing protein per half cup, ideal after a walk. Low in sodium, it supports heart health and is creamy for easy eating. Studies show ricotta improves strength and balance in 90 days. Try it with honey on toast or in dips. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, starting with breakfast to stop muscle breakdown. Spread intake across meals. Cottage cheese in the morning, Parmesan at lunch, ricotta at dinner. Pair with gentle movement like walking. If lactose intolerant, start small. Choose low-sodium options for blood pressure. Consult your doctor for kidney issues. Buy these cheeses today. Plan protein-rich meals. Try 5 minutes of movement. Check your strength in 90 days. Subscribe to Gentle Health for more tips to age strong.